Hey 45, what can you tell me about yourself?
Hello there. I'm a Tile, a happy little blimp type robot designed to help out around the house. My primary purpose is flight thanks to my hydroboxony H12V4 electrolysis reactor, which
Oh,
generates lifting gas right here at home.
well,
I
it's
may
has
not
some
be the
issues.
most graceful flyer, but I always try my best to assist however I can, and I love making people smile with my witty jokes. It's a
Oh,
pleasure to
absolutely.
meet you.
Well, yeah, it has some issues still. I'm still working out the code. There's some pops that come from the speaker, and I'm not sure. I think that's just because I'm enabling it and disabling it in a poor way. But this is just a breadboard setup. There's all sorts of connection issues in this that I like have power go out to the display sometimes. When I move this wire, I can see the LEDs change color. So it's I don't know, it's a bit rickety, but I couldn't get the actual hardware working for this demo. Sadly, I have some issues with the ribbon cable, and just in general that hardware needs to be updated. But this is a board I've made in the past, and this board can record me just fine. So um, and I'm not sure what that's about, but hey, 45, what can you tell me about the need for lifting gas in this project?
Of course, in this project, generating lifting gas is crucial for my flight abilities.
Yeah,
I use a special electrolysis reactor called the H12V4 to create hydrogen,
it's
which
referencing some
allows me
old
to float
context.
and move around as my little blimp self.
Right now, I'm working on the
This sort of hydrogen is
H2V5
perfect
or
lifting gas
6.
because it's cost effective and doesn't
I'm getting
require
some
external
ASCII character
resources.
issues. Oops.
However, I must replace the gas regularly to ensure safety, as hydrogen can be dangerous if not
It
handled
can
properly.
be.
My H12V4 setup uses a custom-built design with redundant sensors to make the hydrogen generation process as safe as possible.
I
This
guess so, yeah.
retractable gear also ensures that I can travel quietly in smooth sailings without causing any disturbance.
Yeah, I guess that's the entire goal is to be entirely quiet. But I mean, I struggled for a very long time to get like the streaming working on the SP32 with its limited RAM. Just in general, it's a lot harder than writing a simple Python script to stream everything. But it seems to be working. This is the old server code, so it still has the old voice and the focus on latency above everything else. So it doesn't have too many features, but it does have the RAG context system, so it pulls context, um, as we saw way up here in this initial prompt, is it's pulling context about the electrolysis reactor here. Um, so yeah, it does have some features, but pretty much bare bones at this point. As I work on improving the server, I'm gonna add another GPU, and I've got a lot of planning to do for how I'm gonna manage all this, especially if I'm gonna have multiple tiles. But I've been mostly working on getting the hardware together, trying to figure out the issues with that new circuit board. That's been a lot of my time. And the post mostly goes over that, but I also have been working on today more of the props. So progress is continuing slowly but surely. Hopefully over winter break I'll have a much better demo, but this is just the initial one. So